Hey, this is Dr. McCullough. I'm so excited to get going with the Dr. Pompa program starting on April 15th. This is an amazing opportunity to be taught by the man. He's got the fastest growing natural health care program on the planet, going straight up and vertical. He is saying, hey, platinum doctors, I've been working with them for 7 years. We need you to start helping us because so many people need this program. So he's walking it through with us. He's going to be directing it. There'll be some videos of him explaining exactly why you have to fix a cell to get well, and why other diets don't work, why other cleanses don't work, and why we're rated 50th in the world for health. So you want to do this. Now, normally this whole program would be about $1,400 for the first month. Crazy. Dr. Pompa is doing it for $697 for us. 300 of that is for the supplements. And I'll talk about those in a minute. But you're basically paying $397, $100 a week to have the top cellular healing doctor on the planet walk you through how to clear out the downstream detox pathways. This is where people make the most mistakes. They try to detox their body when their large intestine and their liver, their kidney and bladder can't detox. It's a mistake. You've got to fix this first. He's going to explain it why. And so really you want to click on the link, get signed up now because you need to get the supplements before the 15th. So you got to order them right away. So you can click on the link, you can go through the process, sign up, $697, $300 you waste on food and bad supplements anyway. So put it towards something smart like your health and have the man teach you. He's going to put you through the portal. Haven't you always wanted to go through a portal? Sounds pretty cool to me. But his portal that his whole staff put together is going to teach you how to actually fix your cell to get well so you can handle the environment around us for such a time like this. It's the right thing to do. All right, see you then. One of the things that Dr. Pompa is going to walk you through are his 5 R's. And I'm going to give you a brief scenario of them. Since all chronic inflammation causes chronic disease, in other words, all chronic disease comes from chronic inflammation, you can't fix disease without handling the inflammation. So, and this is the upstream problem in the brain and the endocrine system from chronic toxicity 4 generations down through our mother's umbilical blood, let alone the environmental toxins we get. So the first R is remove the source. Who knew? You got to quit polluting your body. This talks about the shampoo you're using, the soap you're using, the oils you're eating, the cleaning products that are in your house, the detergents you're using. All these things are just the simplest way that we're getting poisoned, let alone the glyphosates, the Roundups, the chemicals in our food, chemical fertilizers, the air you breathe. You have to get rid of the source or lower it as much as possible. First R. Second R, regenerate the cell membrane. Bruce Lipton, one of the greatest scientists around, says that all of the smartest part of the human frame or human body is the cell wall, because it knows what to let in and what to let out. It will change and protect the cell. But when the cell membrane gets bad oils stuck in it, it can no longer be flexible and it can no longer do that job. So you get things like diabetes or chronic immune deficiency syndromes or autoimmune diseases, all because the cell walls no longer work correctly. So you got to regenerate the cell wall, R2. R3, regenerate or restore cellular energy. The mitochondria is the power plant inside the cell. It also has a wall that gets polluted and toxic and inflexible. But once you target the mitochondria, which his 5R program does, then you're going to have some tremendous results in getting your energy back. Reduce inflammation. I already was talking about chronic inflammation causes chronic disease. I had a gentleman in the office that has so much chronic inflammation in his body, he doesn't know where to start. You got to start at the cell, but first you got to clean the downstream detox pathways, which Dr. Pompa is going to walk you through. You got to do this. Establish methylation, step R5. This is where your actually body is able to detoxify and the cellular energy is increased as the body gets those toxins out at the cellular level, the organ level, out of your lymphatic systems, and out of the body, so that your body can run smooth, not chugging down the road like an old Model T jalopy, but cruising down like a very high quality new machine. So that's it. You got to do this thing. You're getting it at half price. The top man on the planet's teaching you. Sign up today because it's going to be too late in a few days to have the start time with us. All right, we'll see you then.